Introducing the mother of all plant-based sauces. Cashew Cream, the most super easy, versatile, delicious sauce that if you're on a plant-based diet, you need to know how to make. To make cashew cream, you need very few ingredients to make the base product, and that is a cup of cashews, half a cup of water, and a blender. I happen to be using a Vitamix, but any blender will do. More on that later. A quick word about soaking your cashews. A lot of people in most videos say you should soak them at least a couple hours. And if you're not using a high-speed blender, you definitely should. However, with my Vitamix, I found I don't need to soak them at all. I mean, when I did, I didn't really see much difference at all, so I just don't really bother. All right, making this is really super simple, guys. You put these two things into the blender and you blend it up. Let me show you. And now we have sauce. There's always a little bit in the lid. You know, you just scoop it out, do what you need to do. But check this out. This sauce is super creamy, super thick. Now you can add more water if you want to thin it out and get a little bit different consistency with it. That's not really a problem at all. I'm just going to use a little spatula here and scoop out as much as I can. You don't want to waste it after all. So now that we have our sauce, let me just give a little taste. Yeah, it tastes a lot like cashews, okay? And that's where additions start to come in. You can use this as just a base to make a lot of other sauces. Here's a little bit of a partial list. If you were to use coconut water instead of regular water, you'd have something like coconut milk, but without all the saturated fat that comes from coconuts. You can add lemon juice and apple cider vinegar to make something that's more like mayonnaise. You can do garlic and herbs to make kind of an aioli, or mustard and horseradish for a dip for roasted veggies. But my personal favorite is lemon juice, ketchup, sriracha, black pepper, and garlic powder for essentially a spicy mayo. You can use that on anything. Let's talk storage options. You can just put it into a sealed container, keep it in the fridge for about a week if it lasts that long. But I tend to only make small batches, just enough for what we're doing at that moment. That way it never has a chance to go bad, but you know, there's always a little bit of extra and it makes a great dip for veggies at any time. Or pour it over a salad, put it into your favorite soups or stews or gravies or sauces. The possibilities are endless. But hey, if you like this video, look up. There's another one up there. You might like that one too. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.